So the general layout of this plant is we have storage tank which are on the rooftop, flowing via gravity. Then we have our feed pumps set here. So this is the feed pump. It has a capacity to push water through the media. This is the filtration media. So we have filtration media here. As the water goes through, it is treated. We are targeting removal of particles, suspended particles, colloids, things like turbidity. So we remove all those particles in this filtration media. In this part, you have a unit for cleaning the water to make it soften, removing the harmless ions like the manganese and the calcium. So then we have a generation for that particular circular unit. And then we have with those anti-scalant for RO. This is the reverse osmosis. Now, this system here, it is 3 cubic per hour reverse osmosis, meaning it is able to produce 3,000 liters per hour. And if you operate or you run it for 10 hours, you'll have approximately 30,000 liters. Here we have a UV for microbial control. Then also have microfilters here. This, as water comes through the filtration unit, we want to ensure that no particles that is above 5 micron can be able to pass or go to our reverse osmosis here. So it is filtered here, and from here now the water goes to the high pressure pump. This is the high pressure pump, which now pressurizes or pushes the water through the membrane. On this interface here, we have now the user interface. Everything is configured using our control unit here. And using this instrumentation gadgets here, we can be able to now monitor what is happening. In terms of flow, we can be able to monitor using a flow meter. Then in terms of pressure, both in the feed water, the water that is coming out of the treatment, you can be able to monitor everything here on this user interface. From that arrow, we now go to our DM unit. This is our demineralization unit. The way it is designed, as you can see, it is a multi-stage GM plant. So we have this plant here, a polishing unit. After the water comes from the reverse osmosis, we want to make sure that the TDS goes all the way to below 5 milligrams per liter. So this is what helps us to achieve that particular numbers. So after here, the water goes through the UV, and then from the UV, it goes to the treated water tank. Now, what is this? This is our break tank. When water is coming from the reverse osmosis, we need to break it. We need it to have at least a temporary storage location. So we have this break tank. And then the water from the break tank is now fed using the pump to our DN unit. So generally, that is the layout of the plant.